Right, a week ago we repaired this floor. This is Karndean, or it might be Antico, I'm not quite sure, but anyway, the wear layer was quite scratched. We used a product which basically fills all the imperfections in the floor, and now that floor looks almost as good as new. But today we are concentrating on this area of the floor, which is Karndean, and it's never been protected. There are imperfections in this flooring. The subfloor is not particularly very straight, just over there. We've got a dip there, and then it raises up, and then another dip. So nothing we can do about that, but what we can do is deep clean this floor, and then we can apply our hard sealant to it, which will give anywhere between 12 months to 2 years protection, depending on how the floor is used. And we're going to do all that here as well. So what we'll do is we'll come back to this once we have cleaned and sealed, and then you should see some noticeable difference in the finish of the tile. Right. Second coat's been applied. It's dry enough for me to walk on to show you how it's looking. This is a matte hard seal. 2 applications will give somewhere between a matte and a satin finish, so it still looks very natural. I know that you're getting a reflection off the floor because we've got the sun coming through the window there, but it is very tasteful. We don't make expensive floors look cheap by applying cheap products to them to make them look glossy and shiny. There we go. A better shot there. The product will actually enhance the colour of the tile. It will seal the white. They're not grout lines, but you know what I mean. The separating pieces of the Antico, and it will help to stop dirt attaching itself to those white areas. So sealing the floor will keep the floor looking cleaner for longer. You'll also find that you won't have to use any harsh cleaning chemicals on this floor. As long as you use the recommended product on this floor and regular maintenance, you know, daily maintenance, sweeping and that, you will find that this sealant will last maybe as long as 2 years before it needs to be stripped and reapplied. So there you go, that's what we're looking at. The floor looks great. I'm going to pack away now and move on to my next job. So if you are looking to have your Antico or Karndean professionally cleaned and sealed, then contact ProSteamUK on 07765 60 60 40, or the office 01252 319 391. Thanks for watching.